Hello and welcome to the Winter Fireplace Challenge 23 invitation. I'm your host, Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe, Decorating on the Budget, and my co-hosts are Jill at Jill Style and Jessica at Jessica Myros. And the title of this collaboration is the Winter Fireplace Decor Challenge 23. Now we have simple rules. Decorate your fireplace for winter. Follow the collaboration protocol. Mention both hosts in your video and in your description box. Use the hashtag WinterFireplace23. And the twist for this one is you must include one angel in your decor. Now the upload date is December 2nd and the time is 5 p.m. Central Standard and 6 p.m. Eastern Standard. Now, if you have any questions or concerns regarding this collaboration, please let me know down below in the comment box and I will get back to you as soon as possible. And as always, I'll see you in the next episode. If you want to see more, click the video here or the link below and you'll be blessed.